Good morning, everyone. So this is January 1st. It's really stormy outside. It's the start of a new year. When I started a new chapter in my life a couple of years ago, I told myself, rain or shine, January 1st, I'm going out and I'm gonna hike 20K. Was really lucky last year. Nice, sunny, warm. This year, different story. Lots of rain expected today. 70K wind, so I had to change where I wanted to hike. Wanted to hike in the forest. 70K wind doesn't make it safe anymore, so I'm going to be walking streets around where I live. I used to be one of those person that would kick out the last year, go to bed late, have a few too many drinks, and then spend the whole 1st of January kind of being tired, fatigued, hungover sometimes. So by putting this kind of a challenge to myself that every January 1st I'm going out rain or shine, I can actually have a good start to the year, which kicks off, like, most likely a good year following through with that. I feel it's really important to get out of our comfort zone from time to time, and having a set date like that, obviously gonna have their ups and downs, but if you're committed to it, it just makes you push your own limits, like your own comfort limits. So that last little bit was pretty exposed by the peninsula there. So I walked kind of the road that goes in the water. So the next little bit's going to be a little quieter. A lot of road walking heading up, because I don't really want to get into the forest with those winds. So I'm going to head out to another beach that stretches a full kilometer, and we'll do both ways on that one as well. So that's going to be 2K on a very exposed coast again. decided against walking that waterfront again just because the mileage would not add up. I'm still not at half point, so it means if I turn around right now, I'm going to be short for my 20k. So we're going to walk the full length of the airport and then double back around a different road to head back home, and hopefully I'll be closer to the 20k mark. I'm just passing the airport now. I'm at 12k, so it's the home stretch now. So a lot of you might be wondering why I'm sharing a video with so much road walking. Well, the idea for today was to actually get in the woods and do a 20k, like a hike in the woods with nice trails and stuff, but with the temperature that we have right now, it wouldn't be safe to start. And I did put myself like a goal that every 1st of January I would go out and do 20k. So to be safe, I decided to do this, which makes sense to me, so I can still push myself and accomplish what I set out for myself and have a good start to the year. Being in the element like I am right now is actually refreshing and invigorating. So I'm actually having a good time even though I'm doing so much road walking. The section by the beach were pretty cool. Thank you for tagging along for this hike. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy New Year to everybody. And if you made it this long, please consider subscribing and leaving a thumbs up. Until next time, I wish you well.